For months, the biggest question in the 360 camera world has been simple. When is the next Insta360 X series camera coming? After the massive success of the X5, many creators expected Insta360 to raise the bar once again. Since then, rumors have been flying across the internet, but there hasn't been much solid evidence that the next generation camera was actually on the way. Now, that has finally changed. The Insta360 X6 has started appearing in official regulatory filings, giving us the first real sign that the camera is moving closer to launch. Even more exciting, new leaks are revealing some major upgrades that could make this the biggest leap in the history of the X series. The biggest confirmation comes from a newly discovered FCC filing. The listing reveals the model number CINSABXA and confirms that the device supports dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, antenna testing, and other wireless certification requirements. While these regulatory documents don't reveal camera specifications or design details, they serve one very important purpose. They confirm that the hardware is real, fully developed, and progressing through the final stages of testing before its official release. But the story doesn't stop there. According to multiple reports, the same model has also appeared in certification databases across China, India, and the United Arab Emirates. Although these additional listings haven't been independently verified, seeing several certifications appear around the same time usually signals that a company is preparing for a global launch instead of releasing the product in just one region. That's a strong indication that Insta360 could be getting ready to introduce the X6 worldwide. Now let's talk about the upgrades, because this is where things become incredibly interesting. The latest rumors suggest that the Insta360 X6 could record 8K 360-degree video at up to 60 frames per second. If that turns out to be true, it would double the frame rate of the previous generation, while maintaining ultra-high resolution. For creators who shoot fast-moving action, sports, travel, or cinematic footage, smoother 8K recording could make a noticeable difference in image quality and flexibility during editing. Video quality may improve even further thanks to several other rumored enhancements. Reports claim the X6 could introduce 10-bit color recording, allowing creators to capture significantly more color information for professional color grading. Improved HDR processing is also expected, helping preserve highlights and shadow details in difficult lighting conditions. On top of that, photo resolution could exceed an impressive 100 megapixels, giving users sharper still images with more room for cropping and reframing. Perhaps the most exciting rumor involves the camera's image sensor. Several sources suggest the Insta360 X6 could feature a much larger 1-inch sensor. If that sounds familiar, it's because Insta360 previously used dual 1-inch sensors in the 1RS 1-inch 360 edition. Bringing a sensor of that size to the flagship X series would be a major breakthrough. Larger sensors generally capture more light, resulting in cleaner footage, improved dynamic range, richer colors, and significantly better low-light performance. Even if the overall resolution remains similar, the improvement in image quality could be substantial, especially for creators filming at sunrise, sunset, indoors, or at night. Battery life also appears to be getting an upgrade. Current leaks suggest the X6 may include a battery ranging between 2,600 and 3,000 mAh, providing noticeably longer recording times before needing a recharge. That means fewer battery swaps during long shoots and more uninterrupted filming for travelers and content creators. Finally, Insta360 is expected to continue expanding its AI-powered software. Smarter subject tracking, faster automatic editing, and improved sharing tools could make creating professional-looking videos easier than ever, allowing creators to spend less time editing and more time capturing content. Nothing has been officially confirmed beyond the regulatory filings, but one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The Insta360 X6 is no longer just another rumor. The certifications suggest development is entering its final stages, and if these leaked specifications prove accurate, the X6 could become one of the most powerful and capable 360 cameras Insta360 has ever released. With more information expected to surface soon, this is definitely one camera worth keeping an eye on.